Hi friends, welcome to Shri Bharathi Technologies YouTube channel. In this video, I am explaining about MS Word. What is MS Word? How to use MS Word? In MS Word, how many tabs we have? How many commands we have? So how to text formatting in MS Word? How to type a data? So many things I am explained. What is MS Word? Why we are using this MS Word? How it is helpful? So this video is very helpful to students and beginners also. So you learned MS Word means it is very easy to getting a job actually. How to use MS Word? Under MS Word, how many tabs we have, how many commands we have, how it is useful, this and all I explained in this video. Please subscribe and like the video and share the videos. Watch the video till end. You are learning so many things in this video. You have any doubts, you can send a comment. Next we will start our class. Hi viewers. Today I am explaining about MS Word. MS Word is one of the application in MS Office. How to open that one, how to start MS Word we want to learn first of all. Click start button. Now I am selecting MS Office. See here we have MS Office. I am clicking that one. In this we want to select MS Word application. MS Word application. You can double click. Now MS Word screen is opened. First I am explaining about MS Word interface. Here first it is called, this one is title bar. Here it is showing document 1 Microsoft Word. In MS Word we are creating any files, it is called documents. MS Word we are using to creating resumes, biodatas, letters, pamphlets, text files. So we are using to creating a text files. Next to name it is showing, that's why it is called title bar. Under title bar right side we have a control buttons. This is called control buttons. Here this button it is called minimize button, this button it is called maximize button, this button it is called closing button. Minimize button we are using to minimizing the screen, so it's minimized. Maximize button we are using to maximizing the screen. Suppose I am clicking this one. Maximize means screen size it is increasing, screen size it is decreasing. So maximize button. This is close button. We want to close a MS Word document, we are using this close button. Close. It is closed. So again I am opening a MS Word document. MS Word document. In title bar left side we have the buttons. This button it is called quick access buttons. Next to this is called this home, insert, page layout, reference, it is called tabs. Home tab, insert tab, this is called tabs. Under tabs we have a commands. This bold, italic, underline, this and all called commands. This here we have font, paragraph, styles, this is called groups. This is called groups. Under tabs we have a groups. Under groups we have a commands. This is called a ribbon. Here it is showing one scale, no? Actually this is called vertical rural bar. This is called vertical rural bar. So now I want to close this commands. You can click home tab, that all commands it is closing. Again if you want to open a home commands means you can click home button, it is opening. Now I am closing the home commands, you can click this button. This is called rural bar actually. This is vertical rural bar. This is called scroll bar. Scroll bar we are using to scrolling the screen, I mean up and down the screen. Suppose I am clicking down arrow mark here under scroll bar, so it is moving the screen. It is moving the screen down. Suppose I want to move the screen up, you can click the up scroll bar. This is called word count area. Here it is showing how many words we are typed, how many pages we have, which language we are using. Suppose I am typing here, I am typing something here. Suppose computer is a electronic device. See, now it is showing we have one page, 5 words we are typed. So it is counting the words. This is called zoom out area. Zoom out area. So zoom out area we are using to increasing the size, decreasing the sizes. See, I am pressing C. It is increasing the sizes. You can drag here. Suppose I want to decrease the sizes means again you can press this key. You can drag this like. So zooming area. It is called zooming area. So paper size it is possible to increasing and decreasing. Zooming area. We are using to zooming area. Next I am explaining how to type text in a MS Word. So where that cursor is blinking, on that place only it is possible to typing a words. So now I am typing one line. I have typed already. I want to space one word to other word. We are using to space bar. I am pressing space bar now. So space is came now. Now I am typing. One line I am completed. I want to move on next line means you can press enter button in keyboard. Automatically you are move on to next line. Enter button I pressed. Next line you can type. I want to space between one word to other word. I am using space bar. Suppose I am typed one word here, apple. I want to space now. Space bar you can press in keyboard. Space is came. Next word you can type. Now I want to change a font colors, font sizes for this paragraph. How to change I am explaining. You can press home command. You can press home tab. Here we have a commands no. Suppose I want to apply the home tab commands means first we want to select the data. Suppose I want to change this text color, sizes, font styles. I am using the home tab. How to change? First we want to select the text. You can place the cursor here. Select. Now you can press the shift button and down arrow key. Automatically it is selecting the data. After selection I am applying the font styles. Now here it is font styles actually. You can click in this arrow mark. Here we have a different types of font styles. Which style do you want? You can select it. That style of font it came. Suppose I want to change again. I want to change that font style. You can click this arrow mark. See, I am selecting. Automatically it is changing the font styles. You can press this arrow key. So different types of font styles you have. Which do you want? You can select it. Automatically that font style is changed. Suppose I am selecting now Arial narrow, Arial black. So this like it is coming. Next I want to change a font size. You can click this arrow mark. Which size do you want? See, automatically it is changing no small size, big size do you want? It is possible to changing the sizes of fonts. This size I want. Okay, so next I want to change a font color. This is font color. You can click here. Which color do you want? You can select it. Actually automatic color black it is available. Which color do you want? You can select it. Automatically that color is applying. So full paragraph also it is possible to changing. Suppose I want to change this one word. You can select this one word only. Which color do you want? You can select it now in home tab. So now I want to change that one word color. So I am selecting red color. See, it is changed no. This like it is possible to changing the font colors. Suppose now I want to make a bold letters. I am using B. B means bold. I am pressing this one. First I am taking another font color. After I am using this one. Suppose I am selecting now Arial only. Now I want to change this one to bold. I am selecting bold. See, automatically it is become a bold color. First you can select the text. I am changing the font sizes. Suppose I am selecting Arial narrow. Now I want to make a bold this text. You can go to home button. You can select bold. Automatically it is become a bold. Suppose I want to change a italic style. You can click italic style. See, automatically it is changing the font styles. Suppose I want to make a underline for this text. You can select this underline. Automatically underline it is came. Suppose Here underline styles also available. You can click here. Which underline style do you want? You can select it. Suppose this like. Which underline style do you want? You can select it. Suppose I want to change a underline color also. It is available here. You can click this arrow mark. Here you can select underline color. So I am selecting underline color also. Which color do you want? You can select it. Now we learned how to make a bold letters, how to make italic, underline also. Suppose I want to remove a bold letters, italic letters, underline. Same button you want to press. You can select the text. We want to apply font styles and sizes, bold and italic styles. You can press this bold button. You want to remove that one also. You can click same button. Suppose I am pressing now bold. Normal letters is came. Suppose I want to remove a underline also. I am pressing now underline button. Underline also removed. We want to apply the underline. We are pressing same button. We want to remove a underline also. We are pressing same button. Suppose I want to highlight this paragraph. We are using text highlight color. You can click here. Which color do you want to highlight? You can select it. See, this is called highlight color. This like it is possible to change in a font styles, font sizes, font colors, highlighting colors. Now I am created one file. How to save this one we want to learn. How to take new document we want to learn. Now I am created one document in MS Word. I want to take a new document now. I want to save this document now. How to do that one we want to learn. So we want to save this document means you can click here file button you can click. Here we want to save our document. You can click save button you can click. Automatically this save command is opened. Here where you want to save your file you can select it. Suppose I want to save my document in documents. You can click documents. Here you can give me a file name. Suppose I am giving computer. Now we can click save button. Now our file is saved. See in title bar it is showing our file name computer that like. Now I saved my file. I want to take a new document. You can click this file. Now new document you are selected means new screen. Now it is here you can select blank document. Now new screen it is opened. So you understood now how to save a file, after how to take new Word document. Now I took a new Word document. I created one file. I saved that one. How to open existing files we want to learn. I want to open existing files means you can click file button. Here you can press open button. Open. So which file do you want? You can select it. Suppose previous I am created this computer file. So you can select your file. You can click open button. See our file is opened now. This like. Now I opened a file. Today I typed something. I am continuing to typing here. I am continuing to typing like this. So something I typed here. Again we want to save this file. Otherwise what to typed here. I want to continue to typing this file. Again I am typing something. I changed something in this file. Again we want to save this one. Suppose we are not saving this one. Without saving we are closed means what we typed today that and all it is deleting. So again I want to save this file means you can click save button. Automatically it is saving today data also. Next I am explaining about save as. Save as why we are using means already I saved this document on the name of computer. Suppose I want to change this file name and that time I am using to save as command. You can click save as. Now I want to change a file name. Suppose I am giving computer 2. You can click save button. So now our document name is changed. Save as command we are using to change the file name. Next to print. I want to take a print out this button. I am giving print. I am selecting print button. See under print it is showing so many options. First you want to select. I am created 10 pages of files here. How many pages do you want to take a print? You can select it. Suppose current page only you want to take print. Suppose all pages I want to take a print. Otherwise you can give me a page number also here. Suppose I have a 10 pages. Only 7th page I want to take a print out. You can press 7 number. Only that number print out it is coming. Next, how many copies do you want it? So here you can press this button, means it is increasing the numbers. Suppose I want to take a 4 copies per printout. Suppose you are pressing this button, means it is decreasing the value. How many copies do you want? You can enter here. So print what? Document. I want to print a document only. So here it is asking print range. So even pages do you want to print, add pages do you want to print, all pages do you want to print, you can select it. Pages for sheet. How many pages do you want to? One page. I want to 2 pages for a sheet. How many pages do you want in one sheet? You can select it. I am selecting 1 page. Paper size also it is possible to selecting here. I mean, you want to letter size, you want to legal size, which size do you want, you can select it. You can click OK button, automatically that printer is there, means automatically that print it is coming. How to take print also we know now. You want to take a print, means we are clicking print button in file command. So print. Next, we want to close this document, means we are using close button also. Close button also we are using. This is the main introduction of MS Word, friends. In next class I am continuing remaining video. You can keep watching my videos. Daily I am uploading the videos, MS Word videos, Tally RP9 videos also. Hi viewers. Today I am explaining text formatting in MS Word. In previous video, already we have discussed how to change font color, font sizes, how to change highlighting color, how to save a file, how to open a file, how to open a new document. So that and all we are discussed. So today I am explaining text formatting in MS Word. So now I will start what is subscript. Subscript means, see, so command. In home group we have commands. So this is actually we are called, it's a subscript. Subscript means create small letters below the text baseline. So create a small letters below the text baseline. For example, here I mentioned something. So H2O, I want to type H2 like that. So now I am typing a data. Suppose I want to type now H2O. H I am typing. 2O I typed, means same line it is carrying. Suppose I want to type now small letters below the text baseline. On that purpose I am using subscript. So now we want to select a subscript. Now I type a 2. See, now H2O I want to type normally now. Again we want to close this subscript, means you can click that button. So now normal line it is continuing. So this like subscript we are using. Now next to what is superscript? Create small letters above the line of text. Create a small letters above the line of text. How to use this one? For example, I mentioned here I want to type a 10th class, 2nd class, that like on that time I am using this is superscript. So now I want to type, see, I want to type a 10th class. So TH I type now, it is carrying in one base line only. Now small letters above the line I want to type. Now I am selecting here superscript. I am selecting here superscript. See, now above the line that cursor is blinking. Now I am typing TH. Now I want to continue in same line. Again you can press this button, superscript button. Now, so it's common line it is showing now. Now I am typing 10th class, this like. So subscript and superscript why we are using we learnt. So now I am explaining this change case. Change case button why we are using means change all selected data to uppercase. Suppose all data I want to convert into lowercase. All data I want to convert into a sentence case. Each letter I want to capitalize in a paragraph. On that purpose I am using to change case. Change case means it is possible to changing the data, capital letters, small letters, sentence wise, each letter capital wise. On that purpose we are using. Now I want to use this change case means first we want to select a data. We want to select a data. Now I am selected a data. So now I am pressing this change case button. Suppose now I want to convert all sentence into a uppercase. I am selecting uppercase button. See friends, automatically it is converted into all capital letters. Suppose now I want to convert this all text into a lowercase. Now we can select a lowercase button. So next one. So now we want to all selected data, it is converted into small letters. Now I want to use a sentence case. So sentence case means each letter it is capitalized. In sentence form it is converted. So now I am using each letter capitalize. See, each letter in every word, each letter it is capitalizing. Suppose I want to use a now toggle case. Toggle case I am selected. See, toggle case. See, first letter is small letters, remaining and are big capital letters it is showing. This is called actually toggle case. So on the time of newspaper and books preparation we are using this one. Now I want to convert into this and all in sentence case only. I am selecting sentence case. So next I am explaining bullets. So bullets means this is called bullets. So why we are using this bullets means start a bullet list. So bullet list means point wise. I want to type a text in point wise. So that is called bullets. I want to set a bullets in my text means first we want to select our text. First we want to select our text. So I am selected text now. Now I am clicking the bullet. See. So now point wise bullets it is applied. Again, suppose I want to remove these bullets. You can click again that bullets button, it is removed. See, again I want to apply means you can click bullet buttons. So you can click in this arrow mark. Here we have different types of bullets. What type of bullets do you want? You can select it. This like. So this is bullets, how to apply the bullets, how to delete a bullets. So next, suppose I want to use a numbers. Start a numbered list. So now we can select. Now here we have different types of numbers. I mean Roman numbers we have, capital letters we have, small letters we have. So this like. Which type of number do you want? You can select it. So Roman letters I am selecting. So now our data it is showing in Roman letters. Suppose I want to remove that number list now. So again you can select this number list. It is removed now. So what is bullets, what is number list, why we are using, we understood now. So now alignment. I am explaining now this paragraph alignment. So align text. Now we are in left side only. Align text to the left. So now I am using align text to the center. See. Suppose I want to align text right side. So this like it is possible to aligning the data. Hi viewers, today I am explaining how to inserting tables in MS Word. Already in last class we had discussed about MS Word introduction, how to creating documents in MS Word, how to save the files, how to use home commands, text formatting, that and all already we had discussed in previous videos. Today I am explaining how to creating tables in MS Word, how to deleting tables, how to inserting a columns and rows. So I want to insert a table now. So you can click the insert command. Here you can select the table option. In this, here we have rows and columns. You can select how many rows and how many columns do you want. Like this. You can select how many rows do you want, how many rows and columns do you want. I am selected. So now our table is inserted. Now we can type the table values. Suppose I am creating now employee number, employee name, salary, ESI, PF, whatever it may be, you can type here. So now employee number I am typing. So we want to move the cursor one cell to another cell. So now I am typing the employee name. Next we want to type a salary, how much salary we are giving. Next to ESI, how much we are giving, we want to record. Next to PF amount also we want to type here. This like, now I am created one table. Once we are created table, automatically table tools it is coming. Here different types of table styles we have. Which style do you want, you can select it like this. So many styles we have. You can click this arrow mark, other styles also it is showing. Which style do you want, you can select it. So it is possible to designing the tables. So I am selecting this table. So otherwise any other table styles do you want, you can select like this. See, so many styles of tables we are having. Which style do you like, you can select it. So this is table styles. Suppose I am selecting this style. Okay, table styles. After that, I want to insert middle of that any rows and columns. You can click right button, mouse right button. You can click insert button. What do you want to insert? So I want to insert rows above, insert rows below. See. So now I am inserted one row. Suppose I want to delete that again. So delete rows. It's deleted. It is possible to inserting and deleting middle of that rows and columns. Suppose now I want to insert here. So you can right click. You can click mouse here. You can right click. Now insert. Now which one do you want to insert? Rows below. Insert rows below. See, it is inserted one row below. This like in a table already I am created a table. Middle of that I want to insert a rows, columns. It is possible to inserting and deleting also. Again I am inserting one more row. This like it is possible to inserting. Now right side of the table I want to insert a column. So I want to insert a columns. Now right click insert. Insert columns to the right. So this like, suppose I want to insert above. Now I am clicking here. You can right click insert the columns to the left to right, insert rows above. So one more row it is inserted. Like this, after creation of a table, it is possible to inserting rows and columns above, below, middle of that also. Suppose now I want to cut this and all, so I want to delete. So again right click, you can click delete rows. See, automatically it is deleting. I want to delete this one only. Right click, so delete cells, delete right row, delete entire row, delete entire column. So not like this. I want to delete this row. You can select first of all in delete columns. It's deleted, no. This like it is possible to deleting a columns, inserting a columns. Suppose this full table I want to delete now. So you can select first of all full table. So here we have one option, select all. Now our table is selected. So you can press delete button. Our all table is deleted. This like it is possible to inserting a table. One more way also we have. So insert table you can click. So here you can update it. How many rows and columns do you want? So this arrow mark you can click. Now our columns it is increased. I want to 5 columns only. See, it is increasing. So down arrow mark you can click, it is decreasing. So now I want to 6 columns. Now here we want to insert a rows. 6 columns, 6 rows I am selected. Okay, you can give me. See, our table is inserted. So automatically table styles it is showing. Which style do you want, you can select it. So it is possible to changing the shading colors here. See, shading color. shading color, it is possible to changing here. So next one, so I created one table. So now it is possible to typing here. Suppose item details I am typing now. So item name, total items, sold, rate, total amount, this like we want to type. Item name I am typing now. Suppose Nokia, Samsung, Micromax, Redmi. This like I am typing. Total items, how many you have, you can type it. I have 20, 30, so 40, 50 like this. How many we sold? 10 numbers I am sold. So here 20 numbers I am sold. 25 numbers I am sold. Here I am sold. So 45 numbers. Rate, what is the rate for each mobile? 10,000 rupees, 8,000, 5,000 rupees. Here I am typing 12,000 rupees rate. So total amount also we want to record here. This like I am created a table. So now I want to delete this row only. You can select the table. You can press delete button, it is deleting. Now I want to delete this row also. Select and delete, you can press. Select, otherwise cut button you can press. It's cut down that area. This like it is possible to creating a table. So next one, how to insert. Two ways it is possible to inserting a table. Otherwise it's possible to draw a table also. Now I am draw table manually. You can click draw table option. Now you can draw a table like this. Now rows and columns also we want to draw like this. How many rows do you want? How many columns do you want? It is possible to draw like this. So this like how many rows, columns, manually it is possible to draw this one. So next to see like this. So now I draw a table. So now it is possible to erase also. Here we have eraser option. You can select this one. So how many rows do you want? You can keep it. Remaining and all you can erase like that. So I want to erase this row also. These lines also I want to erase. So this like. So it is possible to draw a table manually. It is possible to erasing the table. So next one. So how to draw a table we know. So next to Excel spreadsheets also it is possible to inserting here. So now I am inserting Excel spreadsheet in MS Word. Okay. Hi viewers, in today's class I am explaining how to inserting Excel worksheet in MS Word. In MS Word document it is possible to inserting Excel sheet. How to insert that one? So how to using that one I am explaining. So in MS Word document worksheet it is possible to inserting. It is possible to using worksheet in MS Word on MS Word. It is possible to calculating formulas. It is possible to calculating total amounts, average and all. So Excel sheet it is possible to using in MS Word document. How to use that one? How to insert that one? So already I inserted here MS Excel worksheet. So Excel worksheet I am inserted here. I created table also. So I am calculated totals, average, maximum marks, minimum marks also. So now I am explaining how to insert that worksheet. So you can click here file, you can select new option. Under new you can select blank document, create blank document. So now new sheet we are having. Now how to insert worksheet? You can click insert group here. Under insert group you can click table command. Here we have Excel spreadsheet we have. You can click that one. See, once I clicked that Excel worksheet, automatically so our Excel worksheet it is inserted here. Here it is possible to creating tables, altering tables. It is possible to calculating values. It is possible to inserting a formulas also. So how to do that one? Now I am creating one table here. See, once I inserted Excel worksheet, automatically Excel worksheet tools it is showing here. See, formulas, insert rows, delete, format and all it is showing here. So now I am going to create first heading. I am typing. So student mark list. Now I am creating student marks list. Marks list I am creating. Now headings I am typing. First student name I am giving. After that student name, marks, subject wise marks I am typing. So how much marks each student he is getting. So now I am typing names. So first names I am typing now. Student names. Next to name here I typed. Next to subject wise marks I am entering. Next English marks I am recording. See, now I am typing a formula. Sum. ఏంటిది ఇలా వస్తుంది షీట్ 2. So now I am typing a formula equal to, I want to calculate a sum formula. Now you can open a bracket. Now you can select how many subject marks do you want. You can select, you can close the bracket. See, this like it is possible to applying the sum formula equal to sum. In MS Word document I am using formulas. See, like this. In MS Excel how we are using worksheet, like that only it is possible to using in MS Word also. It is possible to typing a formulas. It is possible to creating different types of tables also. See, like this. Now full formulas I am typing. It is possible to dragging also. Suppose I am dragging. Once I am typed a formula, I want to drag that one. See, it is possible to dragging like this. So total I am calculated. Suppose I want to calculate maximum marks. I am applying the maximum formula also equal to max. You can select now. So I am selecting, close the bracket. See, maximum 67 is highest marks for Telugu. So this subject I am now. I am dragging the formula, automatically it's applying. See, like this. So it is possible to applying the formula. So one more sheet also it is possible to adding here. See, insert worksheet we have. It is possible to adding worksheets. So it is possible to renaming the worksheet. You can right click the mouse button. You can right click here. Otherwise you can double click here. So you can remove that one. So mark sheet. It's possible to renaming the worksheets. So renaming the worksheets, inserting, it is possible to deleting also. So this, like in MS Word, it is possible to inserting worksheets, Excel worksheets. It is possible to typing a formulas, creating different types of values also. So it is possible to scrolling the worksheet. It is possible to scrolling the worksheet. So it is possible to inserting new worksheets. Different types of tables also it is possible to creating here. So now you can double click. You want to remove the this worksheet format. Now you can double click. See, now worksheet is deleted. Normal our document it is displayed. Like this it is possible to using this one. So you can double click in the document, that worksheet format it is deleting. Only what we are created table it is displaying here. So like this we are inserting the Excel worksheet in MS Word. It is possible to deleting and altering. So altering the worksheets. Now I want to delete, suppose I want to delete this worksheet. Again you can double click here. Worksheet format it is opened. So now we can select this worksheet. Select, you can click cut button. So we want to select first of all. Here you can click. Worksheet is selected. Now I am pressing delete button. Full worksheet we want to select. Now I am selecting. So you can press delete button. So it's deleted. So it is possible to inserting, it is possible to altering. Hi viewers, in today's class I am explaining how to inserting pictures, symbols and shapes in MS Word. In previous video already we are discussed about how to inserting tables in MS Word. So now I am explaining how to insert a pictures, shapes and symbols, how we are using this one in MS Word. So first I want to insert a one picture in a document. So we are pressing to insert command. Here we are selecting picture option. See, here we have a picture. Picture we are using to insert a picture from a file. You can select a picture. Already we are created and saved pictures, means it is possible to selecting here. So I saved one picture. You can select that one. So see, our picture is inserted. Now this is very big picture I am having. Now I want to resize that one. So you can click in this arrow mark. You can press the mouse and drag this one. See, automatically it is resizing like this. Otherwise, see, once we are selected picture, we are inserted a picture, picture tools it is coming. Under picture tools it is possible to increasing and decreasing height and width. So now I want to decrease the height. See, I want to decrease the height, it is decreasing. Width also I want to decrease. You can click width button. See, like this it is possible to resizing the picture. Manually also it is possible through mouse. Otherwise here we have a height and width options. It is possible to resizing that one. So I want to align this picture. Otherwise I want to rotate this picture. So rotate left, rotate right. So flip vertically, flip horizontally. It is possible to rotating the data. So which one do you want? So once we are inserted picture, automatically picture tools it is coming. Here different types of picture styles we have. Which type of picture style do you want? You can select it like this. So different types of styles we are having. Which style do you want? You can select. So it is possible to changing the picture borders. Picture border, which color do you want? You can select it. See, picture border, which color do you want? You can select it. So it is possible to applying the picture styles. Picture border also it is possible to change in. It is possible to applying the effects. I want to shadow effect. See, which shadow effect do you want? You can select it. The picture is showing like this. Picture effects, shadow effect. So otherwise reflection, I want to select this one. See, reflection it is showing. So glow, I am selecting glow effect. See, which type of glow do you want to select? It is showing the glow. Soft edges, soft edges. So which one do you want? It is possible to applying 3D rotations also available. See, so it is possible to designing the picture. So what effect do you want? You can select and design the picture. So it is possible to applying the picture borders, it is possible to applying the picture effects also. So next one, so next it is possible to aligning this picture. So you can click center. Otherwise you want to align this one right side, I want to align this one left side, this like it is possible to aligning the picture. I want to apply this one now center, this like it is possible to inserting a picture. After that it is possible to deleting, it is possible to designing the picture. So picture tools you can click it. So here what type of style do you want, you can apply it. Picture borders, picture effects you can apply. Height and width also it is possible to increasing and decreasing. So I want to delete this picture now. So you can select, now we are not selected the picture. Now you want to select this picture means you can mouse click here, it is selected now. I want to delete this one means after selecting you can press delete button, it is deleted. This like it is possible to inserting a picture and deleting a picture. So a picture how to insert we learned now. Next one, how to insert a shapes. Here under insert group we have a shapes command. You can click shapes command. Which shape do you want? Here different types of shapes we have, see. Which shapes do you want regarding the situation? So you can select the shape. Now you can draw the shape. You can click the mouse button. You can press and drag. Automatically it is inserted the picture. Now manually also it is possible to increasing the width and height. So now manually, so this see, I am pressing this arrow. Now you can press and drag this one. See, it is possible to increasing the decreasing the shape sizes. Otherwise here once we are inserted a shape, automatically drawing tools box it is coming. Now here see it is possible to increasing height and width. So this is increasing, you can click this arrow mark means it is increasing. You can click down arrow mark means it is decreasing. So you can use this height and width buttons and it is possible to increasing and decreasing. So I am selecting this one. So this is shape styles actually. Which type of color do you want to fill, you can select it. So which type of color do you want to fill, you can select it. See here also you can click so many colors we have. Which type of color do you want, you can fill it now. See like this. So other colors also it is possible to selecting. Shape fill you can select. Here multiple colors we have. See which type of color do you want, it is possible to setting like this. See here more colors also we have, more fill colors. So it is possible to using this is also. We have so many options here under shape colors. So next to picture, suppose this is a gradient also it is possible to applying. So see which type of gradient do you want, you can select and apply that one. So different types of colors it is possible to using this one. Texture also it is possible to applying. So how to insert a shape, how to apply the colors. So now outline colors I want to change, you can press outline color. See which type of outline color, you can select it. So outline colors. Next to change shape. So it is possible to changing the shapes. Suppose now that shape I want to change like this. See it is changed. So it is possible to changing the shapes also. So next to I am inserted the picture. So now I applied different types of styles. It is possible to aligning this one now. You can click the alignment, align left, see, align center, align right. It is possible to aligning this like. So align top, align middle. It is possible to aligning the picture. So I am selecting align left. So align top I am selecting now. See like this. So it is possible to aligning this one. So horizontally. Next I suppose I am selecting verticals. Now I am aligning this one left. And the top alignment I am selecting now here. See top alignment. So it is possible to rotating the picture. See 90 degrees. Rotate right 90. Flip vertical. Flip horizontal. See. So vertical. It is possible to rotating left 90 degrees. Right 90 degrees also. So like this. Which style do you like? It is possible to doing like this. So it is possible to arrange the sizes. It is possible to applying the effects also. So suppose I want to insert other picture here. What type of picture do you want? You can select it. Now you can drag the mouse. See, another picture also it is inserted. Now you can apply the another colors. Suppose I want to insert this picture also now. See, now I am drawing this picture. I am draw this picture. So like this. So now here edit points also we have. So it is possible to editing this one. I am editing now. See, like this. I am editing the picture. So this like. So now I want to delete this one. You can select and delete button. You can press automatically. It is deleting. So now I am going to again insert. So other shape I am selecting here. Insert. So other shapes I am selecting here. Which shape do you want? You can select it. So now you can drag that picture. So now I am inserted one more picture. Now you can design that picture. So you can fill another color also. Like this. So shapes, it is possible to here so many shapes again we have. Change shapes we have. So you can select and change a shape. So now I am applying another color, this one. So I am taking the sky blue color like this. Okay, so how to insert picture also we learned. Now I want to delete this one. You can select it. You can press delete button, automatically it is deleting. Now we want to learn how to insert a symbols. You can press insert group, on that you can select symbols. Here different types of symbols it is available. See, so which type of symbol do you want, you can select it. Suppose I want to insert a N symbol. See, it is inserted. Again I want to insert any other symbols. See, less than or equal to, greater than or equal to. So any other symbols also it is possible to inserting here. See, next to more symbols option also we have here. You can click more symbols. See, so many symbols it is available now. You can click here. You can click which type of symbol do you want, you can select it. See, so many it is available. So which type of symbol do you want, it is possible to showing there. Currency symbols do you want, it is showing currency symbols. Otherwise general functions. So otherwise you can select Greek and Coptic. So which type of symbols do you want, you can click it. It is coming. So you can select it. You can insert, automatically it is inserting the pictures. So you want to delete this one, means which symbol do you want to delete, you can select like this. You can press delete button, it is deleting. This like it is possible to inserting a pictures and symbols, pictures, symbols and shapes. So now how to save this file we know. So you can press file menu, you can click save button. So where do you want to save? I want to save this file in documents. You can type the file name, pictures. Now you can press save button, automatically our file is saving. Thank you friends. So in next video I am explaining how to insert a charts and graphs in MS Word. Keep watching my channel. You can subscribe my channel. Today I am explaining in MS Word how to insert header and footer. Why we are using that one I am explaining. So how to insert header and footer, why we are using, how to remove that one, how to delete that one I am explaining. So in insert group we have a header and footer commands. See, here we have header. So header always it is displaying on the top of the page. Why we are using this header means I want to type a titles, I want to insert a date and time, I want to insert a page numbers for pages. On that purpose we are using header. So header is displaying on the top of the page always. Why we are using header means header we are using to typing the titles. So it is appear on the top of the page. So how to insert that one? You can click header. So here what type of header do you want, you can select it. Suppose I am selecting this header. Now our header is inserted. Now here Once we are inserted header, automatically header tools it is displaying. See, here we have date and time, page numbers we have. So now I want to insert a page number. You can select page number. So page number, where do you want to insert? So I am selecting this top of the page. So our page number is inserted. Suppose now I want to insert a date and time. You can click date and time. So what time format you want, you can select date and time formats it is displayed. What time format you want, you can select it, you can give enter. So our time also inserted. Now I want to insert a title. I am typing now our title. I am creating now computers notes. See, our title name is computers notes, basics notes, computer notes. This like it is possible to using a header. In header, so I am inserted a page number, I am inserted a date and time, I am inserted a title also. Once we are opened by our file, automatically it is displaying the details. When we are created this file, when and which date we are created, what is the title of file, what is the page number, it is displaying clearly. So I want to close this header, means here it is showing close header and footer. You can click that one. Our header is closed now. What we are typed data, so it is displaying. Now you can continue to type the file. Suppose I am typing a notes now. So computer is a electronic device. So this like it is possible to typing a file. So now I want to edit a header. How to edit? You can double click on the place of header. So now you can go to insert. Under you can go to header. So here we have a edit header. You can click edit header option. It is possible to changing now. So here it is possible to changing the date, phone number, so anything. Suppose I am changing the title, computers basic notes. So basic notes. This like it is possible to editing the header. Now again I am closing the header. So this is the process of how to inserting header, how to deleting, how to altering. Now I want to remove a header. You can click remove header. It is removed. I don't want to header and footer. On the time I am clicking the remove header, it is removed. So this like it is possible to using header. Suppose I want to insert a footer now. So footer always appear on the place of bottom, and that always it is displaying on the bottom. So now footer I am using. Which type of footer do you want? You can select. I am selecting this one. So under footer also it is possible to inserting page numbers, date. It is possible to inserting pictures, titles and all. So now I am inserting a date and time here. See what format do you want? You can select it. So now you can click OK. So now our date is inserted. So now here title I am inserting. So what title do you want? It is possible to inserting here. So now page number also it is possible to inserting. Already we are inserted. So now you want to close the footer, means you can click close footer button. So now our footer is closed. See, it's closed. But names it is displaying. So once we are closed this file, after 1 month I am opened, on the time clearly it is displaying, and which date we are created, what is our page number, what information we are having. So it is possible to remembering easily. On that purpose we are using header and footer. Suppose and now I want to edit for footer. You can select edit footer. So it is possible to editing now. I want to remove a footer, means you can select insert. You can go to footer. So you can click remove a footer. So this like header and footers we are creating, we are editing, we are displaying. So header and footer why we are using, means we want to insert a page numbers, we want to insert a dates, titles. On that purpose we are using header and footers. Header always displaying on the top of the page, footer always displaying on the bottom of the page. Header and footer it is possible to altering, deleting. Today I am explaining how to inserting page numbers in MS Word document. So I am created one document, so many pages I have. I want to insert page numbers now. How to insert that one? You can click insert group. On that insert group we have a page numbers command. You can click page numbers command. Now what type of page numbers, I mean you want to insert a page number top of the page, otherwise bottom of the page. So page margins do you want? So current position do you want, which type of format do you want, you can select it. Suppose top of the page I am selecting now. So top of the page, what style do you want, you can select it. So see, a plain number. So top of the page I am selecting this one, middle of that I am selecting. See, now our page numbers is inserted. So see, I am scrolling the document now. How many pages we have? So total we have pages 4. See, page numbers automatically it is inserted. So page numbers, our page numbers is automatically it is inserted. So now again I want to change this format, means you can go to insert group, you can click page numbers. Suppose now I am selecting the bottom of the page, page number. See, now bottom of the page it is displaying. So this like it is possible to inserting a page numbers. So now insert you can go, again page numbers I am going. See, I want to format page numbers. So format page numbers I am clicking. Number format it is possible to changing. Suppose number format I want to ABC. So I am selecting ABC. You can click OK. See, now ABC format it is displaying. So page numbers format also it is possible to changing. See, it is displaying. See, number format, page number format also it is possible to displaying. Remove. I am selecting remove page number. It is removed. So it is possible to inserting a page numbers. It is possible to selecting page numbers format. So it is possible to formatting the page numbers. So now I want to insert a page numbers for, in this you can select which page numbers do you want, you can select it. Now we can select. So our page numbers is inserted. So after changing format we want to select a page numbers. So this like it is possible to inserting a page numbers, removing and changing the format also. Today I am explaining how to inserting visiting cards, how to preparing visiting cards in MS Word. So we want to create a visiting cards in MS Word, means first we want to select a insert group. Under insert group we want to select a shapes. Under shapes you can select rectangle shape. See, rectangle shape. Now you can draw that one. How much size do you want, you can draw that one. So now it is possible to resizing this one. Manually also it is possible to resizing like this. Now you can drag that arrow. See, manually it is possible to resizing. Otherwise, so under drawing tools right side, it is possible to increasing the height. It is possible to increasing the height and width also it is possible to increasing and decreasing. See, down arrow means decreasing, up arrow I am pressing means it is decreasing and increasing. So it is possible to doing. After selecting this shape, now you can go to again insert. Now you can select text box. Which type of text box you want to, you can select it. Now under that rectangle box I am inserted text box. Now here we have some data. You can press delete button, it is removed. Before creating visiting card, I want to select a font size, font color, that and all. In home group we have a font size and all. Now you can select which size do you want. Okay, suppose which font color do you want, means which font color do you want, you can select it. Now you can select the font styles also, which style do you want. Now I want to increase this text box sizes. Here once we are inserted text box tools it is showing. You can click text box tools. Now right side we have height and width. It is possible to increasing and decreasing. Now height I am increasing. See, you can press arrow mark, automatically it is increasing the height. Now I am increasing the width also. So down arrow mark you can press means it is decreasing the width. So now I am typing the visiting card. Suppose my company visiting cards I am typing ABC Limited. So address we want to type now. Bangalore, Karnataka. So regarding your what information do you want in visiting cards, you can type it. Next your company mobile number you can type. company website we want to type. Necessary information you can type like this. So under this visiting card, now I want to design this card. How to design? So once we are inserted this visiting card, so automatically text box tools it is coming. Now here text box styles you have. Which type of style do you want? You can select it. Okay. So here we have shape filling. Other colors do you want? You can select it. Here what type of color do you want? It is possible to selecting. See, like this. Shape outline color also it is possible to changing now. Which type of outline color do you want? You can select it. So I want to change a visiting card shape also. Change shape you can select it. See, what type of shape do you want? You can select it. So this like it is possible to changing the visiting card shapes also. Now suppose I want to insert a symbol in this visiting card. How to insert? I want to insert a symbols. I want to insert a shapes also. How to insert? Now I want to insert a symbol or I want to insert a shape in this visiting card means again you can click insert. Under insert group you can select shapes. Now you can select which type of shape do you want. You can select it. Now you can draw the shape. You can draw the shape this like. Okay, this shape also, again this shape also it is possible to designing. It is possible to applying the shapes. It is possible to filling the color and all. So shapes and pictures also it is possible to inserting under the visiting cards. So now I am inserted one shape. So now again I am pressing text box tools. It is possible to changing the text directions also. You can click here, see direction is changing automatically. So it is possible to changing the directions also. So this like we are preparing visiting cards in MS Word. So now I want to delete this visiting card means you can click and you can press delete button, automatically it is deleting. Now I want to save this visiting card means you can click this file menu, you can press save. You can type a file name now. You can type a file name visiting card. Now you can click save button, automatically our document is saved. In last class I am explained about how to implement text formatting in MS Word, how to insert a pictures, tables, shapes, how to insert a text box, that and all I explained. Next remaining features I am explaining in this class. So like and subscribe the channel and share the videos. Next we will see. So in last class we are discussed about, so this all features we are discussed. So in home tab what features we have, this and all I explained. In insert tab also how to inserting tables, pictures, shapes, that and all I have explained. So in a MS Word it is possible to inserting a charts also. By default charts it is displaying here. How to insert charts we will see. So how to insert a chart we will see. So here we are using Windows 16 actually. Windows 16 I am using. So here charts how to insert. So by default charts it is possible to inserting here. Charts we are using to analyze our business data easily. So why we are using charts means we want to analyze our business data easily. That purpose we are inserting a charts in MS Word. Now in insert tab chart option we have, I am clicking chart this one. What type of chart do you have? You can select it. We have different types of charts here like line chart, pie chart, bar chart, area chart. These all charts we have here. You can select it what type of chart do you require. So now I am selecting here column chart. See column I am selecting this one. You can click OK. Automatically that chart it is inserted. See data also chart, that data also automatically it is inserting here. So this is our chart. Once we are inserted this chart, automatically chart designs also it is displaying. See here. So chart tools also automatically it is designing. Now different types of chart styles we have here. You can select it which style do you require. See, so many styles we have. You can select it which styles do you require. You can click in this arrow mark. See, up arrow mark. So many styles it is showing. So this I want to insert a chart title now. See, you can click here. You can see you can insert a chart title also. So I am inserting sales like this. Chart title I am inserted here. After that you can click once. So under chart tools, change color option also it is possible. It is possible to changing a colors this chart. See, you can select it, change colors. I am applying now. See, different types of colors it is showing now. Which colors it is good, it is possible to applying that colors. See, I am selecting this one now. See, other colors also we will try. I am selecting this one, orange, gold, green, brown. Automatically it is applied now. So once chart it is inserted, after that individually it is possible to designing that one. Colors I changed. After that, quick layout, change the overall layout of the chart. It is possible to change the overall layout of the chart. Here also some designs we have. What type do you want, you can select it. So what type of chart do you require, you can select it like this. See, so now I am selecting this one. Here table also it is showing no. So I am selecting this chart. So this is quick layout. After that, here add chart elements also we have. You can click this one. It is possible to changing a axis, primarily horizontal, vertical, see numbers. So it is possible to changing horizontal wise, vertical wise also. Axis titles also it is possible to changing. See here, from horizontally, vertically it is possible to changing. Chart title it is possible to removing also. Chart title you can click it. None means it is removing. Above chart. So that chart title where it want to be displayed, above chart or centered. So you can select it like this, centered. I don't want centered overly. Above chart I am selecting. So chart title also it is possible to placing here. Next to data labels. Data labels also I am inserting. See, center. Data labels means that percentages it is coming. So see, center, inside base, outside end. I am clicking this center. Okay. Data labels also I am inserted. Data table already we have. Here already it is inserted. So error bars, this and all, grid lines, backside grid lines also. See, primary, major, horizontal, major, vertical. So grid lines also it is possible to applying here. This like manually it is possible to designing. Data tables also. See, none means already we are inserted table in a chart. Under data label, none means that table it is removed. After that, see, it is possible to insert a table with legend keys, no legend keys. With legend keys I am selecting. Legend keys means that series 1, series 2, series 3 it is displaying with color wise. See, so next to data tables, grid lines also we are applied no. So individually it is possible to designing a table like this. Next, after that, here edit data option we have no. You can click it, edit data option, edit data. See, by default table it is showing no. For example, I am changing here under category 2 I am changing one value, 5 I am updated. See, automatically in a chart also under category 2 series 1 value I am changed, automatically it is affected in chart also no. This one also I am changing now. For example, 3.3 I am giving. See, automatically it is increased no. So it is possible to editing a data also. Next to select data it is showing. So see, we are selected a data. It is possible to filtering a data here ma. See, so here series also it is showing, categories also it is showing. I want to view now only series 2 details. See, I am removed series 1 and series 3. I am unselected. Okay, you can press it. See, now series 3 details only it is showing no. Again you can click it that select data option. See, select data option I am selected. Again I am selecting series 1, series 2, all details it is showing. Now I want to view only category 1 details. See, category 1 chart only it is showing here. This like it is possible to selecting a data, filtering a data. Now again I am selecting category 2, all categories data I want to view. See, it is applied clearly, no? After that it is possible to change chart type also. You can click it, change chart type. Again different types of charts it is coming, no? So now we are inserted column chart. In this place I want to insert other chart. Pie chart I am selecting. See, I am selected pie chart too. See, on that place, on that column chart place, pie chart it is inserted clearly. So this like it is possible to change a change a chart type also. Like this it is possible to insert a charts in a MS Word. After next we will see under insert we are discussed about how to insert a chart. Next to screenshot also it is possible to taking here. Take a screenshot. Quickly add a snapshot of any window that's open on your desktop to your document. See, I am clicking screenshot now. So next to link it is showing, no? I am opening next to document. Under insert we will discuss it about the next one. So online videos also it is possible to inserting here. So how to insert online videos. So in 2016 latest version I am using, 2016 MS Word I am using. Here it is possible to inserting a online videos also. So online videos also it is possible to inserting here. So link means hyperlink. It is possible to creating link one document to another document. Actually this is a hyperlink. Add a link. Create a link in your document for quick access to web pages and files. Hyperlinks can also take you to places in our document such as headings and bookmarks, etc. Hyperlink also it is helping to linking one document to another document actually. For example, here some data I am typing. Here GST notes I typed here. So once GST is an indirect tax we have. For example, I am clicking this indirect tax means indirect tax notes want to be display. Now I want to link one document to another document means how to use hyperlink. You can select it this indirect tax word. So you want to insert a hyperlink where you can select it that word through mouse. I am selecting this indirect tax. Now I am clicking this indirect tax button means indirect tax notes want to be display. You can click it. Now you can click link button. So in our computer how many files is we are having, that all files it is opening. Now I want to link with another file. You want to link with which file, you can select it. So now here I am selecting under desktop. So I want to link with which file, you can select it file name. So I am selecting this GST with pictures. In this I am selecting this file, what is indirect tax. I want to link with which one. So I am selecting GST new notes. Now I want to link with this file. I am selected. OK, you can press it. Now once we are inserted hyperlink, so this word color it is changed. No, once we are clicking mouse here, it is showing link also. See, now I want to open a hyperlink means you can right click it. Right click the mouse here. You can use it to open hyperlink. See immediately what is indirect tax. That file it is open. No, indirect tax notes it is opened here. This like it is possible to linking one file to another file. On that purpose we are using a hyperlink option. Next to comment. So it is possible to add a note about this part of the document. So it is possible to inserting a comment. So add a note about this part of the comment. You can click it comment button. So it's possible to inserting a comment about this document. I am explaining GST notes. Here we have a GST notes. This like one comment I am inserted here. other comments, how many comments like this do you want, you can insert it. You want to delete this comments means you can click mouse right click, delete comment, you can press it, automatically it is deleting. Okay na. So next, already we have discussed about header and footer, page numbers, how to insert this and all. Text box also we have discussed. Next we will see what is meant by word art. You can click it here, this and all styles, that text styles, you can select it here data, you can apply which type of style do you require, you can apply it. See, I am selected this one. See, automatically it is changed. No, this is word art. Once we are inserted word art, automatically drawing tools it is applying. It is possible to changing this and all. This drop cap it is useful. So you can click it drop cap. See which drop cap. See, first letter it is showing very big. Drop to drop cap do you want? In margin drop cap do you want? You can select it. Okay now. So which drop cap do you want? You can select it. So it is displaying like this. Next we will see signature line also it is possible to inserting this page. Where do you want to require to add a signature line? You can keep a cursor there. You can press a signature line. So suggest signature. So that signature person name you can type it. Ganga. I am typing Ganga. So what is she is a designation? He is a manager. We are typing. So email address also you can type it. ganga@gmail.com. You can press OK button. See, automatically that signature line it is inserted here. No, so it is very helpful actually how to add signature line. Next to date and time option. It is possible to inserting a date and time. Quickly add the current date or time. You want to add a date and time to this document, we are using this option. Here once we are clicking date and time, that date and time formats it is showing. Which format do you require, you can select it and press OK button. See, date it is inserted. No. Next, what is meant by object? Object means so insert an embedded object such as another Word document for an Excel sheet. So another applications it is possible to inserting here. For example, now we are in MS Word. I want to open here other objects like Paint, MS Excel worksheet, PowerPoint I want to insert here. On that purpose we are using object. You can click it object here. See here which one do you want, you can select it. Excel sheet do you want, otherwise Microsoft Excel do you want to require to insert here. PowerPoint, see PowerPoint, Microsoft PowerPoint slide do you want to require to insert. Another option, another applications also it is possible to inserting here. Which one do you want to insert, you can select it. So many we have here. For example, I want to insert here a Microsoft Excel worksheet. Okay, you can press it. See, automatically Excel sheet it is inserted here. See here, Excel worksheet it is inserted. So Excel worksheet it is inserted, and this all options also see under home tab all options also it is changed. No, I am taking a new page, we will try that one. So now under insert object, I am clicking a object. Now Excel worksheet I am clicking here Microsoft Excel worksheet. Okay, see Excel automatically it is inserted. This all under home tab all options also it is changed. No, so now it is possible to creating a table here like name, salary, name, salary. This like I am creating one table. Salary also I am putting. Okay, so now total I want to calculate. See total salary, I am applying a sum function. You can click it sum here. See automatically total, see auto sum I am clicking. Enter, you can press it. See automatically what is the total salary, automatically it is calculated. Okay, now I want to close this Excel sheet means, so out you can double click a mouse automatically that Excel sheet it is closed. what table we are created in Excel, that is inserted here in MS Word. It is inserted. Now here some extra area we have, no, I want to remove that one. You can right click the mouse, crop button it is showing, no, you can click it, crop. You can adjust the chart area. So now I want to remove this unnecessary all area. See, cropping now, see, like this. Now right click, you can press it, crop, you can select it. Now how much area do you require, you can crop it like this. Now it is closed again. Right click, crop, you can select it. Now see. Okay, now I want to extend the size like this, you can press it. See. So next we will see page numbers we are inserted, drop cap, signature line, object also we know. Next we will see here some equations we have. It's possible to inserting a mathematical equations here. You can click here, so many we have, no, which equation do you want, you can select it. See, it is possible to inserting a equations here. Next under insert, next one we have symbols. Here different types of symbols we have. So which symbol do you require, it is possible to inserting. See, so many symbols we have, greater than, less than, so divided by, this all symbols. More symbols also it is available. More symbols you can click it. See, so many symbols we have. Under here you can select it. Font symbols also it is available. Arial, block, Arial, font symbols also it is available. Which symbol do you want to select it, you can press insert button, automatically it is inserted. Special characters also available. See, like this. It is possible to implement this is also. Next insert tab we are completed. Next we have a draw, one of the tab, draw, newly it is added. It is possible to do a drawing here. Different types of pens it is available here. Black pen, like rainbow color. So in 2016 Windows 16 it is added newly here. Which pen do you require, you can select it. Now you can write it, which one do you want to explain. See, so I am drawing this like. So it is possible to draw. Eraser also we have here, you can take it, it is possible to erasing. Eraser I am pressed, see, I am dragging, it is possible to erasing. So drawing caves also it is possible to do here. Next to design. What is meant by design, why we are using means, this is document styles actually. Theme styles, document formatting. Which formatting style do you require, you can select it, automatically it is implementing. Now for example I am selecting another document. See, I am selecting another, already we are typed, no, that document I am selecting. Now I am implementing now here document styles. Design means document design. Which type of design do you require, you can select it. See, it is changing now. Okay, this is document formatting. So many designs we have. In this, which style of document format do you want, you can select it. Okay, here themes also we have. Same, which theme do you want, you can select it. See, this and all theme styles. Which theme style do you want, you can apply, it is possible to applying. Next here paragraph spacing also available. You can select here. So which paragraph spacing do you require, you can select it. See, paragraph spacing, compact space do you require, tight space, open space do you require, relaxed, one para to another para. See, I am selecting compact space. See, tight space I am selecting. Next to open space. Next to relaxed space I am selecting. See, this like paragraph spacing also it is possible to apply here. Next to watermark. How to apply the watermark, you can select it here. Watermark, add a background text, you can select it here. So which watermark type do you require, you can select it. I am selecting this one actually. Now watermark, you can click it. You want to type your own watermark means custom watermark, you can click it. Now you can type, you can select a language, English. Here you can type it a text. I want to display a watermark, our institution name. So watermark text you can type it. So now font size also it is possible to selecting here. Font style I am selecting Arial black. Font size it is asking auto size I am selecting. Color I am selecting like brown color I am selecting. Apply I am selecting. See, automatically it is applied. No, Shri Bharathi Technologies watermark it is applied. So remove also it is possible. If you don't want means you can press remove watermark, automatically it is removing. Okay, next this is page color. It is possible to applying a page color also. Click it here. Which page color do you require? You can apply it. Okay, if you don't want to page color means no page color, you can select it. Here more colors also we have. Here also you can select it which color do you require. Automatically it is applying. Next here fill effects also we have. See, one color do you require, two colors do you require, page color. Two colors I am selected here. First color what you require you can select it. Second color also it is possible to selecting like this. Second color which color it is better you can select it ma. So I am selecting white color only. That color want to be display which style, vertical style, horizontal style, diagonal up, diagonal down, from corner, which type of so that shading color do you require you can select it. Okay, you can press it. See, page color it is applied no. So page color you can click it. Single color also it is applied. It is possible to apply. More colors also it is available. Fill effects also it's available ma. Okay, present. See, two colors only I am selecting. Texture format also it's available. Which texture format do you require you can select it. Background screen it is displaying the slide. See, texture format I am applied now. Okay, so we are design the document. We are using to this all options we are using to designing the document. This is pattern design. This is picture design. Picture it is not applicable. Pattern design it's possible to do. So it's this all I am selecting here. Again I am page color I am changing. Cancel. Page color. More colors I am selecting. No, I don't want this one. Fill effects I am selecting. Gradient two colors I am selecting here. First color I am liking to green. Green and white. From corner I am selecting. So I like this. Say I applied this one. Page borders also it's possible to apply. You can click it page borders. Here which border do you require you can select it. So many border styles we have. Here under art some other borders also we have. See, now here which border do you require you can select it. Automatically that borders it is applying. I want this one only. I want this one now. See, whole document it want to be apply. Only selection data. Yeah, I am selecting one page means only selection that border want to be apply only selection data means you can select it. Only first page. All expect first page. You can select it your requirement. Whole document I am selecting here now. See, page border automatically it is changed now. How to apply the page borders. Okay, page borders you can click it. Which border do you want to you can select it and apply it. So now page borders I am clicking. Now I don't want to this border actually. So I am applying this stars only. Some different stars I am selecting. This is okay, you can press it. See, this is good only. So design we are using to designing the document. Next we will see layout. Layout option why we are using means, so we are using to set up the page ma. So like margins, I want to change your margins here. So narrow margin I am selecting. See, it is changed now. So which margin type do you require? Wide margins. So which margin do you require? You can select it. I am selecting normal margin only. Next to orientation. Portient means page like this. Now we are in portient size only. Landscape means this like it is showing. Which size do you want, portrait or landscape? You can select it. I am selecting portrait only. Next to paper size ma. Paper size, it is possible to choosing a paper size here. Letter size do you required, otherwise legal size do you required, otherwise I am selecting A4 size now. See, so which size of paper do you require, you can select it. Now here line number also it is possible to apply. Already we are applied some line numbers here. See, line number, you can click it. I am removing this one. Restart each page. So restart each page means separately. See, we have a different types of pages here. In first page we are starting the number 1. Again here we have total 25 lines. In second page also, in second page automatically, in second page also again it is started a number 1. So line numbers also it is implementing here continuously. I am pressing, for example, continuous I am pressing. See, it is continued. In page number 1, 25 we have. In second page automatically continue the line number 26. So this like line numbers it is possible to implement here continuously. Restart each page, each section like this. Next option I am explaining about. So review option. Review we are using to collect. Under review option, this is first option what we have. So spelling and grammar, it is possible to correcting a spellings and grammars also. You can click this one. Editor page it is showing. In our document how many mistakes is there, it is showing like this. Type of GST name mistake we have. So now you want to correct it, you can press it ignore all. Automatically that mistake it is correcting. GST notes, ignore once I am correcting. So you have finished for reviewing editor's suggestions. Okay, we don't have any spelling mistakes now, automatically it is corrected. So this you want to correct a spelling and grammatical mistakes for your whole document. On that purpose we are using spelling and grammars. In this review tab we are using this one. Next to here also comment option we have. It is possible to inserting a comments, like it's possible to delete all comments. So under view tab, so that read mode ma. So the read mode means the best way to read a document, including some tools designed for reading instead of writing. You can press read mode. Read mode means document like this it is coming. You can press escape, it is closed. Print layout view, we are in print layout only now. Web layout means document it is showing like this. Now I am selecting print layout only. Next here what we are using means zoom. Zoom why we are using means, so zoom to the level that's right to you. It is possible to zoom your document ma. You can press here zoom, you can click it. See, page width, text width and whole page width, it is possible to zooming here. Normally we are using 100%. For example, page width I am selecting 200. Okay, you can press it. See, so it is very big screen it is showing, no? So that's it's possible to using a page width. You want to increase and decreasing page width, text width, we are using zoom option. Zoom option it is available in view tab. 100% only I am selecting now. See, 100% it is showing. Now I am adjusting in zoom area also. Okay, so zoom it is helpful actually. After that here, so ruler option it is showing. So if you want to insert this ruler, you can select it. See that the scaling it is showing, no? So we are using to this ruler option. It is possible to adjusting a margins ma. Grid lines, you are not required to this ruler option means again you can unselect this one, it is closing. Grid lines means backside, see grid lines it is applying. I am removing this one. So in MS Word we have so many tabs like home tab, insert tab, draw tab, design, this and all. Under home tab all what commands we have I explained, and insert also and draw also, so many. Next to Next, under layout tab, I missed some options to explain. We will go through that one. First, you can select a data. Some data we are typed, you can select it. So under layout, layout tab, you can press it. Here one option we have columns. No, columns why we are using means split your text into a 2 or more columns. You can also choose the width and spacing of your columns or use one of the present formats. So we are typed some data here. We want to divide it through columns. On that purpose we are using this columns option. So in a textbooks, when we are typing a textbooks or newspapers, no, on that time we are using this columns option. You can press it this columns. You want to divide it, dividing in how many columns, you can select it. I want to divide 2 columns. See our data, it is divided into 2 columns. No, 3 columns I am selected. So this like how many columns do you require, you can divide it. Next to columns, it want to be displayed on left side. Left I am selecting. So right side means right it is showing. After that, not only 2 or more columns also it is available here. You can press it in more columns. Here see how many columns you want to divide your data in, how many columns it is possible to so fixing here number of columns, you can select it. Up arrow you can press it. See it is increasing. No, see I am selected now 4 columns. You can press it. See data it is divided into 4 columns. Now under columns, more columns I am selecting. I want to decrease that one. Now 1 column I am selecting. See after that how many columns like this do you want, it is possible to arranging here. So columns width and spacing also it is possible to adjusting here. So this is very useful actually when you are doing data entry. On that time we are using apply to. So this columns option, it want to be apply whole document or selected text only, selected sections only. So I want to apply for selected text only. Okay, you can press it, automatically it is applying. So this is very useful. Now I am selecting 1 column. See automatically 1 column it is showing. Breaks means line it is dividing. So to add a break at your current location to have your text pick up again at the next page, section or column. So breaks also it is possible to applying. Where do you want to apply a break, you can select it. You can move the cursor on that. See so what where do you want to apply the break, you can put a cursor here. For example, I want to put a cursor here. See now you can go to breaks option. You can insert a break. Which break do you want? Page break do you want? See a page break do you want means automatically page break it is applying. See what is GST, page break it is applied. So column break, column wise or next page, continuous, even page, odd page, this like breaks it is possible to applying here. So next we will complete it this layout. References, under reference we don't have any important things. So this under reference option, so footnote it is useful. See insert footnote, you can press it. So like this notes it is possible to typing here. Regarding this, in this document what information we have, regarding this document note I am typing. This is GST notes. So like this footnote. Next to how many footnotes like this do you require, it is possible to inserting. Now again I am going to insert footnote. I pressed, see next note it is inserted. Next footnote means we are moving to next to show notes means it is showing. Footnote area it is showing. No, see like this footnotes it is possible to inserting here. Next to mailing option we will see why we are using mailing option, how it is useful. I will take a new document. Next we will discuss about mailings. Mailings tab I am pressing here. Mailings why we are using means under mailings tab how to start a mail merge, how to create a mail merge I am explaining. In MS Word mail merge is one of the important topic actually. So mail merge why we are using means, for example we want to send a interview letters for candidates. We want to send a letters or messages for number of people at a time. On that purpose we are using mail merge actually. Now I typed one letter here. See I typed a one interview letter. This letter I want to send 100 peoples at a time. 100 letters we want to prepare means it's not possible. No, one letter I prepared here, one interview letter I prepared. This letter I want to send a 100 candidates. How to send? Only one letter I prepared here. This letter I want to send a 100 of people, ma. As this is possible only to create a mail merge. How to create that one we will see. So now under mailings, first of all, you can click it here, select recipients. Okay, here type a new list, you can select it, ma. So first of all, this letter I want to send a 100 of people at a time. So I want to prepare now 100 interview letters. We want to type means it is time wasting. It's very difficult also. So through mail merge, it is possible to preparing at a time to 100 letters, ma. How to do that one we will see. Here date and from address I typed. To address I am not typed. To address I want to type now. Name, father name, address, mobile number, this and all. To address I want to type. So how to do this one we will see. This is interview letter actually. I want to send a interview candidates to attend a interview. Okay. So now how to start mail merge. Mailings you can click it. First you want to type a letter like this. To address I am not typed actually. Now we can go to here, select recipients. Now here type a new list, you can select it. Here some headings we have. Title, first name, last name, company, this and all we have. Here so many fields I have. No, I don't want this and all, ma. Under to address I no need to include this and all. I want to delete this one. I want to type a new list actually. Now you can go to customize columns, ma. Here customize columns, you can click it. Now I am deleting this and all. It is possible to deleting these fields. Which address details do you want? It is possible to adding. It is possible to renaming the fields also. But I want to type a new list. I am deleting this and all. See, title, deleting. I am deleting. See, title I am deleted. First name. This is so many fields we have. We don't want this, that and all. I am deleting this and all. See, like this I am deleting. Address, city, all those details I am deleting. See, zip code. So country or region. So home phone. This and all I am deleting. Like this I am deleted all those things. Now I want to add a necessary fields. You can click it add button. Now candidate name. First I want to type a name. Okay, you can press it. Next add. So father name. Father name. Okay. Next you can add door number also I want to add it. So door number. Okay. Okay. So here so special characters it is not acceptable. So door number I am adding like this. Okay. Next to add to so address like village, city, that and all I am typing. Village. Next to add city. So next to add state. So this like I am added some address details. Now you can press it OK button. See, now new fields it is added. No, now this letter you want to send how many members? That addresses you want to type here. Name I am typing here. Babu. So what's him father name? You can type it. Shashi. So door number you can type it. Village. City you can type it. State. Like this. State name you want to type it. AP. One entry I am completed like this. Next to new entry you want to press it now again. Next to name. This letter you want to send how many members? That all those details you want to enter like this. Nali. So father name. Next you want to type it house number, city. So next to this like you can type it. It is possible to deleting the entries also. New entry again I am pressing. Next name I am typing. House number. So next to state you want to type it. This 3 entries I done. How many do you want? You can prepare it. Now OK button I am pressing. Automatically it is asking saving. You want to give a file name and save. Mail, like this I am saving a file. I saved this one. After that, here you want to press a insert merge field ma. First you can keep a cursor under 2 column. You can keep cursor under 2 column. Now insert merge field, you can click it. Now one by one, see what fields we are added, that all address it is showing. No name, you can add it. Now we can give enter. Next to father name. Next after that you can give enter. Next to house number. Next to enter. This like all address you want to select it ma, one by one. How many fields you are typed, this and all you want to select it. So city, next to state. I am selected this and all. Now I am inserted like this. Now once you are inserted, this preview results we have, no, you can press it preview results. See automatically Babu name it is showing, no. This letter typed on the name of Babu. It is possible to sending this letter to Babu now. Okay, preview I am pressing now. See preview results, only one number it is showing, no. Now here number wise it is showing ma. Go to record. Actually this is previous record, this is next record. Actually I want to view next record. See Nani name I am pressed. See on the name of Nani letter typed, names it is showing changing. See Mamata, only 3 names we have. Again I want to view previous. See previous also it is showing. Now this letters I want to be so here names only it is changing. I want to this letters I want to prepare individually. Now you can press it this finish merge, you can press it ma. Edit individual document. Individual letters I want to prepare now. So now edit individual document, you can click it. Merge records, so all you want to be select. Now we can press OK button. See on the name of Babu, one letter, one interview letter we have. In next page on the name of Nani, automatically see all individual records it is prepared, no. See Mamata, so 3 entries only we done. This like it is very easy to preparing letters for huge number of peoples. Interview letters and in schools also, in schools and colleges they are sending some information to parents, no, and that time we are using this method. So this mail merge is very useful and important also. Okay, next we will see next what we have under review pan. Review why we are using means, we are created one document here. In this document we want to correct a mistakes, means we are using this this review pan. Actually you can press it spellings and grammar. In right side it is showing, no, what mistakes we have in a document it is showing. April month we done mistake. Actually you can press it ignore once, automatically it is correcting. Next cancelled also mistake. So now you can select it cancelled. See April again we want to done mistake. So you can press it, you can select it ma. See how many mistakes we have. It is possible to correcting like this. See cancelled, again one mistakes we have. I am selecting that. We want to correct a mistakes, on that purpose we are using. So now all mistakes we are corrected. You can close it this one ma. Spellings and grammar why we are using. So this should treasures means so that synonyms it is showing ma. You can press treasures means one box it is showing. Now we can type, for example sad I am typing here. That sad word synonyms it is showing ma. Like in Telugu we are called like paryaya padalu. Sad means say unhappy. Synonyms it is showing. Treasure means we are typed one word, means that word synonyms it is showing here. Next ma, word count means in this document total 612 words we are typed. 6 pages we have. How many pages we have, how many words we have, like this it is showing under word count. You can press it word count. First of all so you want to go to first page. See word count I am selecting. Now total 6 pages we have in this document. 612 words we have. Characters no space, how many words we have. Characters with space, how many words we have. How many paragraphs we have, how many lines we have, clearly it is showing. Why we are using word count. Here read loud speech also we have one option ma. Windows 2000, we are using MS Office 2016. Read aloud, speech also it is available ma. Read text out loud and highlighting each word as it's read. For example, you don't know how to read words means you can use it this one. Read loud.
York.
See.
16th April 2023. 2. Babu. Sasi. 13.
See, it is reading now. Read loud speech also it is available in here. Automatically it is reading.
Subject: interview for the post of supervisor. Dear Mr. Spencer, this letter is in response to your application dated 1st April 2023 applied for the.
Now I stopped. Next we have check accessibility. More accessibility tools also available here. Translate option also we have ma. Translate content into a different languages using the Microsoft Translator online services. So it is possible to translating our content one language to another language. It is working in online services only ma. Now for example, I am selecting this data. Translate I am pressing. Translate selection. Translate whole document. Translate selection I am pressing now. See, you want to translate which language? Telugu. Say section 2 language. This is from language. 2 language it is possible to selecting here. See, so many languages we have. So which you want to convert into which language you can select it. I am selecting Telugu. See, సూపర్వైజర్ పోస్ట్ కోసం 2023 ఏప్రిల్ 1వ తేదీన మీరు దరఖాస్తు చేసుకోవడంతో పాటు జూలై 15న జరుగు గ్రూప్ డిస్కషన్కి ప్రతిస్పందనగా ఈ లేఖ రాశారు. ఇలా మనం ఒక లాంగ్వేజ్ నుంచి ఇంకొక it is possible to converting one language to another language this one ma. Which language do you require, you can select it, automatically it is converting. Whole document data also it is possible to converting. Selection data also it is possible to converting ma. This is translator. Next here comment also we have here. It is possible to inserting a comments, already we are discussing this one. Now I am closing this translator. Okay, next to view pan. Under view pan already we are discussing this and all how it is working. So this is useful functions under MS Word. This video is very useful to beginners and who want to interested to learn MS Word. You learned MS Word means it is possible to getting a jobs in every office. MS Word they are using actually. If you have any doubts you can send me a comment. Like the video, subscribe the channel and share the video. Thank you for watching.